Welcome to Seas to Sky. I probably should have brought you guys to the other side, and I'll show you a clip. But this is what one of the sides of Seas to Sky is in British Columbia. We're in Vancouver right now, near Whistler. It is Squamish. I hope I'm saying it right, but it's beautiful. I'm hoping that I took a video. I'll show you guys the other side. Follow me. Very tranquil, very quiet. As you can see, there is millions of trees, so the air quality is perfection. I'm hoping that one day all of you can come and see this. Side of the mountain. It's kind of strange that it kind of seems like I'm going through a forest, but I'm in a mountain. There's a waterfall that you can hear, but you can't really see. I guess you have to zoom in. You probably can't see it, but if you see that, the snow-capped mountain on top, it was raining yesterday a lot. So when I originally came, there was no snow there, and that was a day ago. A day later, there's snow at the top. So it is absolutely majestic and very calming, very scenic.